Delta, Asaba, Edo, Bini, Enugu, Imo, Owerri, Jigawa, Duse, Taraba, Taligo, Yobe Damatunu.
And all of you for the foreign country where they watch us online, anywhere you did for the surface of this earth, even not inside Nigeria, you they watch us like this. Ah, we love you. We love you. Thank you. Welcome everybody. Come the PADI show.
These nuts.
On top of the whole thing, understand now. So is here. Come now.
All right, okay. So make we just carry you go on top the matter. Make it for no two laws. Wow, look at me. I look like in church. Have you seen my head? You see my head? I look like Chinese.
You see where this glass I wear now. If I just blend.
Give me my.
But I no give you.
Well, borrow me.
No,
borrow me
1 second.
1 second. 1 second. Today I no borrow anything. The earring why myself na my own.
I know say tomorrow you go borrow again. Wow. Turn your head. Woo! What you go God?
I be like masseuse. All the way they give massage in Chinese massage. All right, okay, PADI has carved the show where you love with your personal people, them Ogboski Lala and your girl Mayowa. You understand me now?
If you call Ogboski Lala, you go fair with me first bask in the euphoria. You understand?
Okay,
so
you
go do them again, go bask in the euphoria.
PADI has carved the show where you love with your guy, your G Ogboski Lala.
Yeah, thank you. Woo!
Oh, yeah, backs me now.
Yeah, I'm basking in the euphoria of my own euphoria. Ladies and gentlemen, also by my side, my very, very beautiful girl, my very on-point girl, intelligent and every mixture of beauty and brain, a very Yoruba-ras girl and a very, very on-point girl, like a very, very hot girl. My holistic Mayowa.
Yes, oh my God.
Oh my guys. You can't cough joy. Oh, Raz, you are just Raz for Raz. Capital letter.
Why are you insulting me, Ogbolo?
It's not insult.
Oh, it's a compliment.
I'm telling you who you are. It's
oh my God, I am so Raz.
Yes. You're a Raz.
Yes, Yan.
You are not Raz Kimono.
No.
You cannot be Raz Kimono.
I'm not Raz Kimono. I'm Raz
You got to let him go away. Invention.
Yeah, innovation.
Innovator and invention.
All the invention.
I don't say all those women there when they watch this thing now. They will say, give me number, let me call them.
But then they will put it on atupa.
And not everybody go they put it on top of atupa now. No, you go first don't cook the main thing for the main pot.
This one has serving pot now. You know fees and cook anything.
But it go still work for people now. You know how many people carry this on the go wedding?
That one day as souvenir.
Aside from souvenir, some women they carry plates go wedding.
No, I didn't give you the ages. My sister, that time when she marry, after small, she don't marry now, I don't like 12 years. Ogbolo she marry. Not being with the watch the marriage on video. The video have cast somebody, he put tea inside leather, he give it shy, the shy go and put in the car.
Serious?
Ogbolo tea. You know, say Yoruba people, when the husband family have come in the morning time, maybe Friday morning or from Thursday night, we don't they serve, we don't they feed the nation.
Okay.
You understand me now?
Okay.
So maybe that kind of like na Friday morning, the engagement na Friday evening, the tradition na Friday evening. So you go cook maybe like tea and boiled yam with egg. Okay. Maybe then carry go give the husband of the people in the morning time. Not be that kind of food they cookie. When the woman pack tea, put for inside black nylon. Say me as chicken go put for inside car.
They always announce them, even for wedding, they do sometimes. If you know you are here with extra nylon, you say you want to collect rice to go and give bingo. No hide yourself and respect yourself. Uncle very, very is not well. Cost. Because all these bag we get they carry, they go for an event.
My brother.
Different things they inside that bag. Now so we open one, get bag one day, we see generator. Anything can happen.
Then carry juice back. And if you want juice, then carry ice cream back. I want to fetch the desserts. You carry pop-up by small chops, carry rice chop. Rice, carry powder.
Everything, only you. It causes constipation on you.
After you can't go as the do you run you just for one small thing to come out. What's happening?
Please, please, watch what you eat.
Yes, watch it.
Okay,
so now we want to enter inside I say, small children, the hurry to have money. I didn't know where's your problem. You're just a 19-year-old. Want to see? I know some people lucky then they make money from the age of 19, 20. But those ones they use their based on hustle and they use their sense. But you want to corner take me money and they cash you now. It's God have cash you. Because the person that I pity is your mommy and your family members and your daddy and your everybody that own you. But you personally is God that have cash you. So 19-year-old suspect, internet fraudster, what then they call Wazobia Adebayo.
Yahoo.
Wazobia Adebayo. They don't cash him now by Economic and Financial Crimes Commission. That one EFCC. Yeah, EFCC now don't baba. Now this particular guy, he gets foreign identity. You understand me now? For inside the internet, see the small boy.
For he be like one boy one no. He be like taller. More continue with the G.
For inside the internet, this particular guy, he go change his name. In fact, this is what they catch him for in the form as woman for inside USA.
Wow.
Her name now Matty Johnson.
Ooh.
So now two different women in the form as Matty, in the form as Candice.
Oh la la.
You understand me now? In fact, he get possession of documents where they represent him as a single lady, where they call Candice from Trenton, New Jersey, United States.
Hey.
I need to come as person where they organize charity events for motherless babies home and for old people's home them in the form like that. So in go come, you know, in go give you in presentation for online, you go donate money because you go to say they help good cause.
Now the donating now be that thing. Yeah, we for this side of the country now we don't chap. Even if you go even buy some days back. They
don't put up for kiri now. They say in case they pending.
No, that pending now 7 years. Pending 7 years.
No, they don't even give a date. 21st of May.
Now be waiting.
Then go come do trial, bail appeal and trial. 21st
of May. If you be 21st of May 2025.
No, 2015.
Where will they look? Where will they look? Maybe we know how the thing they go because they go use him. Say this small boy, you can't make this kind of money.
Adebayo, aka Candice.
It's not good. Only now be Candice. Only now.
Only now be Candice. Only them there. You be Marty Jason.
Every day for the team.
One day for the owner and the owner of the people that own the owner.
Bakasayaba. Yeah. If you know your pass that one, you know. Parents for house want your children. You see a money, your speaking buy a motor for you. Ask them from here. Don't go just shop the money. And it's not
if let me speak my mother long. Hey, it's a take a gidi Candice. Cutting sale. Oko wa lewa bo. You wanna baby ya. Oh, people lot ti rowo. Oh, for the prison one binu. Wa light subhana like o si kan to space.
Shogbo o. So ti gbo abi. I said the talk for you here. Okay. All right, our second gist for the day. This one you consigned tea-free. Still based on, say, people who like to make chap money on top of the whole thing. This particular guy is a sharp guy. He's a sharp guy.
Joe.
Because he knows the entire place go thief, they come to thief in a big boy way. Packaging. That's why they tell all our small mortgage for you. If man just come carry motor for you, go say, yeah, miss my motor. Be careful. Be careful. This one just carry Hummer Jeep. Now for inside the Harmony Estate for Ifakok Bagada. Now they go doing operation. They also say every week and something like that. Motor they always brain box always meet for some motor waiting for that area.
And window control.
Every time they lost. People they complain. My motor, I cannot find my brain box. I cannot find. Every time they complain. Now so it just happen to boy. This particular guy like this, he just go carry Hummer Jeep, drive enter the estate. If you enter the estate like this, you come park for one place.
Hello, you go park for the end of the street.
For the end of the street. Come stroll, go one place, come go the move things for people motor. Now, people always look, say, who they do this kind of thing? They don't know say that the Hummer they pass there. You say, when you see Hummer, you don't go think, say,
yeah, you don't go think calm.
That the person where they do and be this.
But maybe they don't suspect, say, every time where that Hummer come, things they miss.
Now they come in, they can't trail the guy one day. They can't follow the Hummer for back. All the security guys, they follow. They can't see where he park. They say as he park now, not be him. But they can't see where the guy come, they can't they stroll, they walk out and they follow up. They can't grab the guy. If you see brushing, they beat my guy, give her uppercuts, give her a leg over, give her everything. Police can't involve. Police self bite and join. Before they arrest the guy, they say, you are coming to be doing this. Yeah, this is mature thievery. You're using Hummer Jeep to go and be thieving people brain box and Oga. I first give you hand though, but correct you enjoy yourself inside the prison. Ole, Ajibole, you are an Ole, a sharp guy Ole. Big boy.
As a classic Ole.
Hummer Jeep.
You understand me now?
Yours done.
The Bible says, Hummer, Yahoo.
Yahoo. Now that it don't finish. Yahoo. For that you all finish. Sorry. So, for those of now you all from free. Please stop it. Thieving is bad.
It's really not good.
Thieving is bad.
Yes.
Okay,
make
so for
your legal hustle.
Legal.
You understand? So that when you tell people, say, my friend, come on, sit there, small boy, when I was hustling, you think all this money I have, I didn't hustle. It is sweet.
It is sweet.
Hustle for your money, hustle.
Exactly. Yeah. All right, we'll go for this break, and by the time we come back, ladies and gentlemen, we'll continue everything on top PADI.
You know how they do it for English level. You know. They go say now, we get one, they go say now, after they don't smile, they can say, still on PADI, don't go anywhere, we'll be right back.
We'll be right back. We'll be right back.
All right, so this next gist, Ogbolo, it concerned my papa younger brother, and uncle first son.
Our.
Oh, Nami, are you? Oh, we don't turn relation now.
You know the same for our eye.
Oh, we resemble. My in-law. Yeah, no, my cousin.
My cousin.
My cousin by
third cousin.
Yeah.
Third cousin.
Because this particular gist concern our uncle.
Yeah, our uncle.
We grew up for him place, but we know they like proud. We know they tell people.
We they keep them on code.
We they keep them on
because
code.
We're not proud.
Even this one we they talk ourselves. No, be say we don't say we no go tell anybody. We trust una say una no go tell anybody.
Yes. Now just among ourselves.
Yeah. So if una notice say my name na Mayowa Aliko Dangote Lambe.
Hey, you know,
Ogbolo Dangote Dangote.
Dangote, you understand? Yeah, no, Aliko
Dangote.
Yeah, you understand?
Dangote, Aliko Uba.
Maybe, you know, just check out for my head.
So, I don't know now, I want to talk this gist because this person concerns my family member. So, we need to be tactical. Yeah,
so I know we're both proud.
Yeah, so we are not proud. So, make we humble, we're going to do like this. More humble.
Now, we are moving to our humble mode again.
So, my uncle, perhaps, Africa's richest man. Uncle Aligo.
Uncle
Aliko.
I call him Uncle Dangs.
Okay, they call him Uncle Gote.
You know?
Yeah. Uncle Aliko Dangote.
Yeah.
My uncle, our uncle.
Our uncle.
Say he's still there interested to buy. He still want to buy the English Premier League. That one at the Arsenal. You understand? My uncle want to buy Arsenal. For the interview when he
English Premier League football team.
My brother forgets.
Actually,
Arsenal.
He won't buy the full league.
He won't buy English Premier Football team Arsenal.
English Premier League football.
English Premier League football team now Arsenal.
No can make us quarrel. He won't buy Arsenal football team.
It don't matter. He won't buy Arsenal.
Okay.
Now Arsenal won't buy Arsenal.
Oh yeah. Okay.
You understand? So Gote. Can't talk, say him for love to buy the thing, say, but they no reach agreement that time. Him can't talk, say, look. I not go buy them for ridiculous amount, for money where no make sense, but I go buy them for price where they no feel reject.
Yeah, that's time, yeah.
That's so you take talker.
Yeah, for private no reject.
Yeah. For instance, one private jet. When they do the interview, I just not like this thing sit down. You understand?
You don't lock up now. Uncle
say, you know, I tell you this thing. Ask my cousin Maya, she know. Say I go buy them, but I just be patient till when we reach agreement.
And based on the advice we are going to give her.
Based on the advice my cousin are going to give our uncle. You understand?
Uncle Dan.
He can say, okay, you know, say this Arsenal way won't buy now. It worth $1.49 billion. But my uncle, you understand?
Yes. Our uncle, not the selfish now.
$15.7 billion. So you can see that it's not really a problem.
Oh! You say for a price where they don't go fit refuse.
So what is 1.something billion and inside 15.7? You understand? So,
it does them 14. So you want to not take for his spending and everything.
So you know my uncle, our uncle. He take
not
our
selfish. This uncle now.
No verse.
It's our uncle now. What's wrong with you? Our. Say it again.
Our uncle. Ogbolo and I uncle.
Yes.
He can talk. Say he take our advice.
Yes.
Can say don't worry, calm yourself. I will buy it when we come to an agreement. Exactly. You understand? Yeah. Because now for inside private jet now we make these decisions. Exactly. We don't get time to talk on that song. No time.
Yeah, so, our family, we know they make too much noise.
Come on, what is what $15.7 billion? How much is that now? Come on, 1.something billion. Come on,
as I do like this now, all of them. Yes. I know how much we invest inside all those things. You understand? So just
I know how much you buy biomedic.
Yes, you understand?
I know how much you buy them.
So we know. See, for this, I did this picture. You don't see my leg for that place.
I'm gonna see your leg now.
Now me snap this particular.
Now me take this selfie.
Oh, now you have been at me.
No, now your leg there inside the selfie where I take.
Okay, now okay, that I be the sleep, not true. I be the sleep that morning.
You know, so that day in white shirt, dirty, you can't give her your own. Say
bros, you know, just based on say.
So now your white t-shirt in wear for.
Now you wear inside. You understand? Now our guy,
now why you not show because you had to give him your shirt.
But I'm a beer chest I carry inside.
You understand?
Just we're not proud though. You know, we just a chose and say our uncle Dangs. Yeah. Our family, we are humble people. Yeah. You understand? So Uncle Danks, maybe tomorrow night, if you just buy the full London. Yes. You understand? So we don't just Uncle Danks, peace. So
that's just the story about our family member. We don't like to talk too much. So let's just move on. Moving on.
All right, moving on. Yeah. This one now is not a good story, especially to a man there with the outside there. Not here and here where. Even for the women, they wait for outside there. Please, very, very important. So everybody must take care of themselves. I like to use that particular statement. Take care of yourself and be careful. Now, this particular one now, if you be woman, especially when we don't marry, and your husband, not besides, I know they blame the woman though, but I think everything will come to a conjunction at a particular place. Now this man, first of all, that doesn't mess up. The wife puts some picture for Instagram, go they take selfie. And
a normal selfie.
Toilet, you take a selfie, normal selfie.
Normal one, don't say they show anything.
The man go, they put them for Instagram, they put them for Instagram. Now the man just wake up one day. They don't born how many children? So, 3 children. 3 children, small children like that too. The man just wake up, How do they brush this woman? Why you go put picture for Instagram? Why you go they put picture for Instagram? He hold her for throat. They press him. He said choke.
He begin delete the picture as they.
As the woman they delete the picture, they delete. The man don't already hold him. He said you want delete him, Abi? You want delete him? The woman said, they come out because I don't want to make you vex. The woman they choke her. The woman come manage carry her small children 2 run, but she no come fit carry the last one. Take run. Now the man carry that one. Come they try escape from police, but police still involved for the whole thing. They sick bab the guy last. But as it be like this, now he done there for the one local jail for California inside there, and when they can't even see the guy with some weapons. No, they can't know say the guy done on drugs.
Apart from
alcohol
the funny thing, now,
everything.
Not be even the selfie of Bolona make and they beat the wife. He did under influence.
So
he just come back. Maybe they don't vex him for outside. And because he did under influence, he just see the wife, see the selfie.
Bang, bang. Sometimes some men no naturally safe. Some men safe. Some day, I know. Some boyfriend they they don't want to be their girlfriend. They snap.
Maybe somebody don't like the picture.
They snap over snap kind of picture they put for. To some men it be like advertisement, unnecessary advertisement. You have come and be a wife to me. Why you can't they put yourself for outside? Some men be like that.
But the
say,
brushing,
not go to they put yourself for there. You understand? Do a small. If not business and hair, if not this one, but not go they put say this one. Me I see there here. I find. Do a small. But what the man can go do? Now based on influence now.
The
man can't go do anyhow. You don't they smoke things, they do things, they drink things. You can't. You understand? My wife takes a bit down.
And they watch film.
Okay, that film. You understand? So that one now can't go spoil everything. But he not there for jail now. So matter you have clear, the pikin that give it back to the woman, she are all right now. But I beg make everybody for outside learn from this particular gist. Okay? Now for here we go come up mouth for all the gist. Here come and finish.
Let us go.
Twister.
So, at Wazobia PADI, you gotta follow us. Look,
you gotta
hello,
follow
bae, hello, bae, bae, and boo, baby, boo, boo. You have to follow us because this your character. I didn't like it at all. You didn't used to show us love. You have to be loving us.
They love us now.
You have to show more love.
No. First of all, we will thank them first.
Okay, thank you for your loving.
We all of now they follow us like this for Twitter and they like our this thing for Facebook. We love you.
We love you. We appreciate you.
Oh, I think come out cloth for.
Oh, but no. See, you are misunderstanding me. My comment is for the people that we just waka pass. Be showing us even more love. Just be following us, be liking us.
We are begging
as you love us, the Lord will love you.
Oh.
As you like us, the Lord will like
as you follow us on Twitter,
the Lord will follow
you too. You understand? He will follow.
We will send form of our uncle family member for you.
Exactly. Oh, our Uncle Dan.
Uncle Dan. He will follow you. He will follow you.
He will follow you.
And the letter.
So now, so they talk now. Go to Twister at Wazobia PADI.
Yes.
Then so we'll see this funny video.
Before we
make
go.
Everybody just okay, right?
Video.
Follow.
Follow the ladder.
Follow.
Follow us for Twitter at Wazobia PADI. Follow us for Instagram at Ogbola, at Mayo Alambe. Follow us for Facebook, facebook.com/PADI. We there for you. I don't know what they do. Because as we there here like this, so the show don't end.
As it be like this, we love you. And please make sure say you did nice to everybody with there around you. Please share love around you, okay? Do your best possible. Share you make person smile today. Make person smile today, okay? Smile will be better smile, all right? Bye-bye.